my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me.
Hello my lovely Spaghetti-Tips! Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, ang hirap eh. Spaghetti-Tips! Hello my lovely Spaghetti-Tips! Welcome back to my channel. Mwah! I'm here now at MOA. Yes! To show you or a sneak peek of the world's largest Ikea, which is the Ikea Philippines. Yeah. So I'm here. So I'll show you the showroom. Ikea is a Swedish furniture company and it's my favorite. And for your information, most of my accessories at home were from Ikea. Yes. And later I'll show you the showroom. As for Ikea Philippines, the world's largest Ikea will open last quarter of this year. But before we go to the pop-up, if you're not yet part of my Gossip Club, just click the red button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted whenever I post new exciting vlog like this. Okay? So let's go!
Shall we begin?
I'm a member na since July, first week of June.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how you touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last
This is it, my lovely Spaghetti-Tips. There will be 6 areas that we will explore, and I'll be showing you the prices of some stuff so that you will have an idea how much will be the prices of IKEA's furniture, accessories, and other stuff. Yep. As mentioned a while ago, most of my accessories at home were from IKEA, and I got it from Singapore, IKEA Singapore. And based on my observation, the prices of IKEA Philippines is cheaper than IKEA Singapore. Hopefully. And it was confirmed by the staff of IKEA that IKEA Philippines prices will be a lot affordable to Filipinos. Yes, so it really adds to my excitement. Oh my god. So join me as we explore the other areas of this IKEA Philippines pop-up. Okie dokie.
Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me. 'Cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink. But I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me. 'Cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink. But I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. 'cause you're all that I want. Would you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
DN na dito. Ganda to. Oh, diba? Nice.
So the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while
That's a wrap, my lovelies, my Josephs. And if you haven't signed up yet for the IKEA Family Club, and it's for free, just scan this QR code, yeah, that I'll be showing here. Yeah, you can freeze it and scan it to sign up for the IKEA Family Club, and it's for free. So thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy this segment. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Love you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay gorgeous. Mwah. I truly enjoyed exploring the IKEA Philippines pop-up, and I was so lucky that I was the only person here in the living room. That's why I felt so comfortable lying down here in this comfy couch, and love the setup of the kitchen. Yep, as if I want to cook already. As seen a while ago, I already spotted some of the items that I really want to purchase once IKEA Philippines opens this last quarter of the year. I really love this hanging thing because it's a space saving if you have a small kitchen in your home. See you IKEA Philippines in December.